DRDO has revealed an updated configuration of the Abhyas High-Speed Expendable Aerial Target, HEAT. The new configuration features a single underslung booster, an elongated length, and a new wingspan. It is more efficient than the original configuration in terms of thrust, endurance, and control. It has a 30-minute endurance, a 2G turning radius, and a speed of Mach 0.5. It is configured with programmed weapon release, altitude hold, and heading hold functions. An Abhyas fitted with an automatic miss-distance indicator has also been tested. The Indian Navy is seeking unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, and high-altitude long-endurance, HALE, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for its second indigenous aircraft carrier. These aircraft offer a number of advantages over traditional manned aircraft, including reduced cost per flight hour, extended endurance, and improved aircrew safety. The Navy's acquisition of UCAVs and HALE UAVs will significantly enhance its maritime capabilities, enabling it to conduct a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance and surveillance, target acquisition and designation, and strike operations. The Indian Navy is seeking unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, and high-altitude long-endurance, HALE, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for its second indigenous aircraft carrier. These aircraft offer a number of advantages over traditional manned aircraft, including reduced cost per flight hour, extended endurance, and improved aircrew safety. The Navy's acquisition of UCAVs and HALE UAVs will significantly enhance its maritime capabilities, enabling it to conduct a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance and surveillance, target acquisition and designation, and strike operations. Safran Aircraft Engines and DRDO have jointly developed a 110 kN high-thrust engine for the AMCA Mk2 fighter jet, designed and developed entirely in India. The first batch of engines is projected to be ready for in-flight developmental trials by 2030. This significant development will give India the capability to design and develop high-thrust engines for its own fighter jets, making it self-sufficient in this critical area. CSIR-NIIST and HALE have signed an MOU to collaborate on joint R&D, technology transfer, and human resource development in the aerospace and defense sectors. The MOU aims to develop new materials and technologies, design and develop new systems, test and evaluate systems, and provide training and capacity building. The MOU is expected to play a key role in boosting India's self-reliance in these sectors. The Indian government has increased its allocation for domestic defense procurement to 75% of the capital acquisition budget, up from 68% in the previous year. This move is aimed at boosting India's self-reliance in the defense sector and reducing its dependence on imports. It is also expected to create new jobs and opportunities in the domestic defense industry. India and Russia have agreed to exchange 24 cargo ships for 2 squadrons of S-400 missile defense systems. The deal is valued at over $10 billion and is seen as a significant development for both countries. For India, it will boost its air defense capabilities, while for Russia, it will provide a much-needed source of revenue. The deal is also a sign of the growing cooperation between the two countries. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is conducting operation and maintenance activities as part of exercise Poorvi Akash, a large-scale exercise in the eastern sector of the country. The exercise tests the readiness and interoperability of the IAF with the Indian Army and Indian Navy and improves its ability to operate in austere conditions. Researchers have developed a new pulsed microwave source that can produce 1.2 gigawatts of peak power at 3.28 gigahertz, GHz, which is in the S-band. The source was operated using a HALE 30 gigawatt pulsed power system at 600 kilovolts, kV beam voltage, and 6.5 kiloamperes, Ka beam current. The source could be used for a variety of applications, including directed energy weapons, materials processing, and medical applications.